How to fix booking.com login not working. If you're not being able to log in to booking.com, there might be various reasons. First, try checking the internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable internet connection. Or you can also switch to the mobile data if you want. After the internet connection is stable, your problem should be fixed. If you're still not being able to log into your account, there might be some bugs in the booking.com app. In that case, you'll have to update it. Open the Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at bottom. Tap on the search bar that you can see at top. Search for booking.com. You can see the apps over here. Tap on the application booking.com. Tap on the option update that you'll be able to see on this screen. Once the update is completed, the bugs will be fixed. Now you should be able to log in to booking.com. If not, try clearing the cache. Open App Library of your device. Find the application for booking.com and long press on it. Tap on the option App Info. Tap on the option Storage and Cache. Tap on the option Clear Cache that you can see on the screen. Once you do that, your problem will be fixed. If not, try uninstalling the application and install it again. Tap on the option Uninstall that you can see on the screen. Tap on the option OK and it will be uninstalled. After that, install it again from Play Store or App Store. Once you do that, you should be able to log in to your account. Like this, you can fix booking.com login not working. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.